What if I told you that nearly 80% of Americans struggle to stick to a budget, often finding themselves overwhelmed by unexpected expenses and financial stress? But what if there was a simple, almost effortless way to manage your money that could transform your financial life? Prepare to be amazed by the 60-30-10 rule, a budgeting method so straightforward yet powerful that it could be the key to achieving financial stability and peace of mind. Imagine being able to cover all your needs, enjoy your wants, and still save for the future, all without feeling restricted or deprived. Welcome to Satoshi Finance, where we break down complex finance topics to educate and empower you on your journey to financial freedom. In this video, we're diving deep into how you can implement this rule in your life, making your money work for you rather than the other way around. Whether you're new to budgeting or just looking for a better way to manage your finances, this could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Stay tuned to find out how the 60-30-10 rule can help you take control of your financial future. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. The first component of the 60-30-10 rule is allocating 60% of your after-tax income to cover your needs. These are the essential expenses that you must pay to maintain your day-to-day life. This includes costs like rent or mortgage payments, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. Essentially, anything that is necessary for your survival and well-being falls into this category. Identifying and prioritizing these expenses is crucial, as they form the foundation of your financial stability. For instance, if your monthly income is $5,000 after taxes, you would allocate $3,000 towards these essential expenses. This ensures that your basic needs are met without putting unnecessary strain on other areas of your budget. Next, the rule suggests that 30% of your income should be set aside for wants, those non-essential items and activities that enhance your lifestyle but aren't absolutely necessary. This can include dining out, entertainment, shopping, hobbies, and vacations. The key here is to enjoy life within your means, ensuring that your spending on wants doesn't disrupt your financial goals. Continuing with the previous example, if your after-tax income is $5,000, you would allocate $1,500 for wants. By setting this boundary, you can indulge in your desires while maintaining overall financial balance, avoiding the trap of overspending. The final 10% of your income should be dedicated to savings or paying off debt. This portion of the budget is critical for your long-term financial health, as it helps you build an emergency fund, save for retirement, or pay down high-interest debt like credit cards or loans. Different savings goals, such as investing for the future or setting aside money for a large purchase, fall into this category. For example, with a $5,000 monthly income, you would allocate $500 towards savings or debt repayment. By consistently setting aside this portion of your income, you can steadily build wealth or reduce debt, putting yourself in a stronger financial position over time. The 60-30-10 rule is effective because it offers a balanced approach to managing your finances. By dividing your income into 3 distinct categories, needs, wants, and savings or debt repayment, it ensures that all key aspects of your financial life are covered. This balance allows you to meet your essential living expenses, enjoy your discretionary spending, and still make progress toward your financial goals. Unlike other budgeting methods that might focus heavily on either cutting costs or maximizing savings, the 60-30-10 rule provides a comprehensive framework that addresses immediate necessities while also allowing room for personal enjoyment and future planning. Flexibility is another reason why the 60-30-10 rule is so appealing. While the rule suggests specific percentages, it can easily be adjusted to fit individual circumstances. For example, if you're working towards aggressive savings goals or need to pay off a significant amount of debt, you might choose to allocate more than 10% of your income to savings or debt repayment. Alternatively, if you're in a high cost of living area where necessities consume more than 60% of your income, you might need to modify the distribution to ensure your needs are fully covered. This adaptability makes the rule accessible to a wide range of people, regardless of their financial situation. The simplicity of the 60-30-10 rule is another key factor in its effectiveness. Unlike more complex budgeting systems that require meticulous tracking and frequent adjustments, this rule is straightforward and easy to implement. With just 3 main categories to focus on, it's easy to keep track of your spending and ensure you're staying within your budget. This simplicity not only reduces the time and effort required to manage your finances, but also makes it more likely that you'll stick to the plan long term. By removing the complexity often associated with budgeting, the 60-30-10 rule empowers people to take control of their finances with confidence. If you've made it this far, consider taking a moment to subscribe to our channel. Subscribing is absolutely free, and you can always change your mind. We have a wealth of financial insights and exciting discussions lined up for you. Your support not only helps us reach a broader audience, but also motivates us to continue creating high-quality content that educates and empowers viewers like you. So, hit that subscribe button, stay tuned, and join us on this journey towards financial empowerment. Thank you for being a part of our community. While the 60-30-10 rule provides a solid framework for budgeting, it may present challenges in certain situations, particularly for those living in high-cost areas or facing significant debt. In regions where the cost of living is exceptionally high, such as major metropolitan cities, 60% of your income might not be sufficient to cover all your essential needs like housing, utilities, and transportation. This can create a financial strain, forcing you to dip into the funds allocated for wants or savings just to meet your basic expenses. Similarly, if you are carrying a substantial amount of debt, the 10% earmarked for debt repayment may not be enough to make a meaningful impact, especially if the interest rates are high. These situations require a careful reevaluation of how your income is distributed to ensure you're not compromising your financial stability. To address these challenges, it may be necessary to adjust the percentages suggested by the 60-30-10 rule to better suit your unique circumstances. For example, if you find that your needs consistently exceed 60% of your income, you might consider shifting to a 70-20-10 model, where 70% is allocated to needs and 20% to wants, or even reducing discretionary spending further to free up more funds for savings or debt repayment. Conversely, if your goal is to save aggressively, you might adopt a 50-30-20 approach, dedicating 20% of your income to savings or paying down debt more quickly. Additionally, in high-cost areas, consider strategies for reducing expenses, such as downsizing your living space, cutting utility costs, or using public transportation instead of owning a car. By making these adjustments, you can tailor the 60-30-10 rule to fit your financial reality, ensuring that you maintain balance and continue progressing toward your financial goals despite any challenges. To successfully implement the 60-30-10 rule, one of the most crucial steps is tracking your spending. By monitoring your expenses closely, you can ensure that you're adhering to the budget and not overspending in any category. Numerous apps and tools are available that make this process straightforward, allowing you to categorize your spending, set limits, and receive alerts if you're nearing your budget cap. Alternatively, you can use a simple spreadsheet to manually track your expenses, giving you a clear, detailed view of where your money is going each month. This visibility is key to making informed adjustments and staying on track with the 60-30-10 rule. Another effective strategy is to automate your savings. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts, you ensure that the 10% or more, if you've adjusted the rule, allocated for savings is consistently set aside without requiring you to make the decision each month. Automation removes the temptation to skip a month of saving or use that money for something else, helping you build your savings or pay down debt steadily over time. Finally, it's important to regularly review your budget, either monthly or quarterly, to ensure it still aligns with your financial goals and life circumstances. As your income, expenses, or financial goals change, revisiting and adjusting your budget will help you stay on course, making sure the 60-30-10 rule continues to work effectively for you. This proactive approach keeps your finances in check and supports your long-term financial success. To wrap things up, the 60-30-10 rule offers a straightforward and balanced approach to managing your finances. By allocating 60% of your income to cover essential needs, 30% for discretionary wants, and 10% for savings or debt repayment, this budgeting method ensures that all aspects of your financial life are addressed. It provides a structure that allows you to meet your basic living expenses, enjoy life within your means, and make consistent progress toward your financial goals. Whether you're just starting to take control of your finances or looking for a simpler way to budget, the 60-30-10 rule is a practical tool that can help you achieve financial stability. Now that you understand how the 60-30-10 rule works, I encourage you to give it a try in your own life. Start by breaking down your income according to the rule and see how it helps you manage your money more effectively. If you have any questions or if you've already tried this method, I'd love to hear about your experiences. Drop a comment below and share how the 60-30-10 rule has impacted your financial journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks again for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.